Hey, want to take control of your child's online world and ensure they navigate it safely? Google Family Link is your go-to solution for setting up parental controls that help guide your child's digital experience. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, creating an account on a Google Family Link is quick and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started in 2024. So first of all, download the Google Family app. All right, and then go ahead and open up Google Family, and then basically go ahead and jump into the process if you have a child, or if you don't have a child, or if you're like me, just the interface just showing up like this. Click the three bars at the top left and then click add child, right? And you're gonna see the same settings before, right? And then start adding your child, okay? And then it says get your child's device, all right? Bring it up, open the settings, go to the Google, and then parental controls, and then for Chrome OS, go to people and then parental controls, and follow those steps to set up parental controls and hit done when you're not when you're finished. In my case, I don't have one, so I'm gonna just go ahead and create one, right? And then basically I'm just like creating a Google account. All right, so I'm gonna add their first name, last name, their birthday, and then you're gonna select which email fits the best. All right, let me translate that to English. Okay, so first name, last name, hit next, enter their birthday, let's say 21 July 2015. All right, sex, male, and then choose that email and choose how they're gonna log in. All right, and then hit next. All right, then you're gonna add strong password. Okay, let me add something strong. Okay, and then basically right here, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna agree to the terms and conditions, and you're gonna just set up your new child account, and you're gonna be able to control the highlights, their location, and what they are seeing, and how to restrict some apps from getting exposed to your child. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.